Alright, we got the Jeep back from my buddy Bob's garage. We had him install that Steinjager transfer case shifter for the Jeep TJ. So let's check it out. Alright, here we are under the Jeep. You can see the bracket. There's a bracket on the floor. There's a bracket that goes on the transfer case, and then you got the cable that connects the two. He said it wasn't the easiest thing to install, but well, it sure does look good in there, and I'm going to show you in a minute, but it works super. Here we are inside the TJ. We got the transfer case in 2 high, goes into 4 high, goes over the neutral, and then goes straight back to 4 low. Super easy. You don't have to, basically 2 hands you can operate this thing. So while we were up at the garage, we had a new muffler and tailpipe installed on the TJ, and it's nice and quiet and doesn't rattle anymore, so that was a great improvement as well. Alright, so overall, I think the Steinjager transfer case shifter cable is a win, and thank you to Steinjager for making that thing, and big shout out to Bob and Rob for getting it installed, and looks great. If you are going to get one of these for your own TJ, just be mindful that there's a different one for a Sport and a different one for Rubicon. So I ordered the wrong one initially, so we had to overcome that, but yeah, it's a good install, and I think it's going to be good for the Jeep. Okay, like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.